hits your eye like a big pizza pie. That's amore.
Good, man. That's illegal cuisine. But man, it tasted good, you know. Even better than a chicken McNugget. But the problem with the Cobra is that it boosts your testosterone, mate. You know? It gets you all macho. And I'm talking that 70s macho like Clint Eastwood and Charles Bronson had, you know? Like the tough style, Cobra macho. And I was that testosterized, man. Every chick that I saw, I just had to grab her on the ass. It was a reflex.
Excuse me, sir. I'm going to have to ask you to stop doing that. This airline does have a policy of non-sexism.
Hey, funny bunny, why don't you just go get me peanuts, maybe scotch and coke and a chocolate, alright, go.
Excuse me, sir. You're not listening to what I'm saying.
You're still here, Stooge. What are you gonna do about it, mate, huh? Look at you, what are you, sissy pants? What are you gonna do, mate, huh? What are you gonna do? Okay. I won't do nothing to the chicks. I swear. But the bummer is, man, now I've got to go to court for what? For air rage. There was no rage. Oh, man, please, don't lock me in the toilet. Look, listen, mate. One more chance. I won't give you no more trouble, I swear. It was a reflex. Mama, come on, look, please. Just give me one more chance. I'm claustrophobia.
Something about you.
Yes, baby, what you've noticed is that I have the macho. And it's the old style, like in the 70s, you know what I mean? Like in a cowboy film. You ever seen one of them? Cowboys? He's just like that.
Cowboy, huh? Cowboy. Indian.
Excuse me, chick. I'll be back in just 1 minute.
It's my store, and therefore it is my law. Don't you fight in my store. Come on. Shake hands. Shake hands. That's not enough. Hug him. Hug him. Hug him. You stupid pricks. I'll shoot you both in the head. Both. This is my store, my law.